Suppose you've got a legal document and you only want to send part of it as part of a financial arrangement, or you might have a picture with somebody in it they've taken on your iPhone and you want to crop it to make it smaller. In this video I'm going to show you how to do that. At the end of the video, if you go to playlist, there's more tips and tricks on how to use your iPhone, iPad. I'll crack on with the film. Down in the bottom you can see a little circle with 3 little lines. If you tap on there, then you've got the option to crop there. So you've got this cropping box. You can move it with your mouse, not with your mouse, with your finger. And then you can go down to the bottom left hand corner, the little box, and export to wherever you want.